Hi and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a super simple ear hook. I'm just using 0.7mm sterling silver wire today for this, and I'm going to start by measuring out my wire. I'm going to measure it out to 4 centimeters, but adding an extra half a centimeter for the eye we're going to create. It takes about half a centimeter depending on how big you make your eye. And then I'm just going to use my file to file the end that's going to go into our ear, just to make sure it doesn't catch on any fabric or anything like that, and it's not too sharp. So just round off the ends there, and you can just feel when it's nice and smooth. And then with my round nose pliers, I'm going to grab the end of that wire, and I'm going to create a loop by twisting the wire around one of the prongs. And then I'm going to bend it back the other way to center the eye. You don't have to do this part, but I just prefer to have it symmetrical. And I'm just going to straighten it up. It gets a bit bent out of shape when making an eye. And you can see that it's just come out to just under 4 centimeters, so the eye took a bit over half a centimeter there. And then you're just going to grab anything round that is the diameter you'd like. I'm just using a paintbrush for this. And you're just going to wrap your wire around that to create your ear hook shape. And just finesse it to the shape that you'd like. Straighten it all up with your pliers. You can get a bit bent out of shape when making the bend at the top. And that's it. There is a really simple tutorial on how to make a really simple ear hook. Thanks for watching.